Hello, and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create, modify, and delete delegations. This functionality is key for transferring a user's responsibilities to someone else when they are unable to work, whether due to vacations, leave, or because they have left the company. Let's get started. First, log into AUTOMY and go to the main menu. From there, select the Configurations. Inside Configurations, look for the User Management section and click on Delegations. Here you will see a list of all delegations created on the platform. To create a new delegation, click the Add button located in the upper left corner. This will open a form where we'll configure the details. 1. Type. Select whether it will be a temporary delegation for temporary absences like vacations, or definitive if the user has left the company. 2. User. Select the user who is going on vacation or leaving the company. 3. Start date. Indicate the day when the user's absence begins. 4. End date. This field only appears if you selected a temporary delegation. Here, define the date when a user will return. 5. Reason. Add a brief explanation for the delegation. In temporary delegations, 3 toggles will also appear. Delegate pending tasks. If activated, the user's existing tasks will also be transferred to the delegate. Keep user as approver. Allows both the original user and the delegate to receive notifications and approve tasks. Remove delegated tasks when the delegation ends. Returns tasks to the original user once the delegation ends. Once all fields are completed, click Add, and that's it. The delegation will appear in the list. Now we need to assign the users who will take over the delegator's responsibilities. 1. Find the created delegation in the list and click the Configure icon. 2. A window will open where you can assign users. You can do this in several ways. By environment. Choose specific environments where the delegate will assume tasks. By process. Select specific processes where the delegate will replace the user. Without environment or process, this assigns the delegate all of the user's tasks without restrictions. 3. Once the delegate users are configured, click Add, and that's it. The responsibilities will be assigned. If you need to modify an existing delegation, 1. Find the delegation in the list and click the Edit icon. 2. You can change data, such as the start date, end date, toggles, or reason. 3. Click Edit to save the changes. If you want to delete a delegation, 1. Make sure the delegation hasn't started yet, meaning it is still before the start date. 2. Click the delete icon to remove it permanently. If you want to cancel it, simply click the cancel icon and the delegation will not be executed. And that's it. Now you know how to create, modify, assign users, and delete delegations in AUTOMY. This functionality is essential to ensure the continuity of your company's processes even when a user is absent. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is always available. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and see you in the next video.